My client came to me and they said, Drew, we want to sell, but we don't have the budget to do any renovations. I said, okay, that's okay. Let me see the house. Took a look at the house and it needed a full gut job. But I reached out to Styldod and I said, let's put together digital renderings of what this home could look like. And that's exactly what we did. So now we took down walls, where they made the kitchen bright, open, and airy with quartz countertops and a waterfall island edge. So when people came in the house, I printed these out huge for everyone to see so that they could see what we were doing. And it was so great. People came in and they said, wow, I can see your vision, Drew. This is fantastic. Listed the house only for $350. Within 2 days, the house sold for $415. Because of Styldod's tools and the architects and interior designers and graphic rendering specialists that they use, it made this house stand out. It was awesome. I will use them again and again and again and again and again and again.